From YouTube. Today I'm working on a 2007 Mercedes-Benz S-Class right there. Today I want to actually pinpoint at the motor mounts. This is an old motor mount from this vehicle. This is a new unit that we're going to install. So the reason why I'm making this video is not to show you how to replace it, but it's actually to show you the difference between a good motor mount and a bad one. So as you guys can see, they're pretty similar, but here's the difference. This one is already, sunk in, and this one, it's all there. But I mean, the height is very different. If I put it side to side, you guys can see the difference. It's very different. So this is a very common problem on German vehicles. It is similar design to BMWs and Hondas, Toyotas. Honda and Toyota get worse because I'm not sure about this specific one, but on Honda and Toyota they have oil inside, and then they tend to crack like this one right here and start leaking oil. And so that's how you can actually tell that the motor mount is already bad. But in this case, I don't see any evidence of that leak. However, I know this motor mount is bad because the customer complained about vibrations and rattling noises, and the writing was per. What I mean by per is because the customer wouldn't feel, the same way that the car was before. And so that's the reason why we're replacing these motor mounts. On this case, this is the worst one. The other one, it wasn't that bad as this one, because I assume the difference is because when you set it on drive, then you try to move to one side rather than the other one. So that's why you put more pressure on one motor mount more than the other one, especially on the rear wheel drive cars. And so this is how a unhappy motor mount looks, and this is how a brand new happy motor mount looks. So thanks for watching. If you guys have questions, let me know down in the comments, and I'll suggest you, if you guys want to watch other videos that I have on my channel, check them out. And if you like this video, I ask you to drop off a like for me. Thank you.